my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you how I prepare Polish koh-pit-kah, potato dumplings, Italian called gnocchi. If you love potato, this is a great recipe for you. It's a different way to eat potatoes and I hope you enjoy. I have 6 potatoes. Now I have to mash, and I have very nice old tool. I have this tool in my family for generation and it's very useful. It's a potato masher. Just put a potato inside and just squeeze gently, and it's so easy. Very useful tool. I have 6 potatoes and I can mash it no time. It's best to mash potato when they're still warm. 4 parts. So 3 parts will be regular flour and 1 part will be potato flour. Just cover a little bit on the top, and we have 3 parts of regular flour and 1 part potato flour. Make circle. In the middle, 1 egg. And just mix everything. Quick process. We cannot wait. When I mix everything, I have to cook quick. Very easy recipe, very simple, something different. Get the potato, and this is a great addition for today dinner. I have meat and koh-pit-kah and red cabbage. Be my dinner for today. Now I'm making koh-pit-kah. Just roll this and make small like this. From 6 potatoes, I make so many koh-pit-kah. Enough for dinner. What is left over, you can fry in oil. Breadcrumbs, make it with any sauce you like, mushroom sauce, any sauce you like. Boiling water, salt for taste, because I didn't put any salt to potato. Will be about 2 tablespoons, and a little bit oil. Looks like the koh-pit-kah is going up. The water starts boiling. It's a very quick process. I don't wait too long. It will be 1 minute and be done. See the kopytka almost up. The process is done. Kopytka. It's beautiful. Nice and firm. When I will boil for too long, they actually will break in part, so we don't want to do this. Kopytka done. And if you like this video, give me a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be first to see the recipe. I put the recipe once a week. Thank you so much. Smacznego, dziękuję bardzo.